What is going on, guys? So this video is going to be a little different. A lot of you guys has been asking what happened to my motorcycle, what happened to my Harley, what happened to my night rod. So I still do ride it. If you guys didn't know, me and my partner, my good friend Code Deep, opened up a company. So going to pick up the truck and stuff, I ride the motorcycle a lot. This gave me a good opportunity to ride it more. I haven't been really doing vlogs on it just because I changed my GoPro and I don't have any mic set up or anything like that. But so in today's video, I'm gonna do a walk around on what I've done to it and then show you guys all the updates. So if you guys are curious where my motorcycle has been, there it is. So I don't think you guys want to see an oil change video just because there's a lot out there on YouTube. But if you guys want to see me do an oil change on my night rod, just let me know, and then on the next oil change I'll go ahead and set up that video. So let's get started. Give her an oil change, wash her up, and then we'll do a walk around. Alright guys, so let's start off with the obvious. Went ahead and changed the stock to the Van Hines Comp series, the 2-in-1. So I got it in the bronze. I also went ahead and wrapped it with header wrap that matches the color. Under this airbox cover, I got the K&N filter. I also got the tune from Harley Davidson. Moving up in the front, went ahead and changed out all the lights to LEDs. I'll go ahead and turn this on for you guys. Alright, so I got the Harley LEDs. So these are the switchbacks. And then I also got LED headlights. Moving to the side mirrors, I have this side mirror relocator. So instead of having it up here, it actually goes down here. Up in the dash, I got a RAM mount, and then right here I put a iPhone charging cable, and this is hooked up to my battery tender. Over here I went ahead and changed the original chrome, I forgot what they're called, but went ahead and changed this out to the black Harley Davidson one. Got the Harley Davidson side bag. I keep my riding glasses in there because I wear tinted visors, so when it gets dark I just throw those glasses on. So over here in the back I got the shock mount curved license plate. So instead of having it right here, I have it on the side. Let's move on to the fender eliminator. I really like this because it takes out all that bulky stuff here, so you could really see that big fat tire in the back. So let me turn that on. So that's how it looks like. So same thing with these are switchback. So on my first video of my Harley, you guys have been asking me about this quick detachable Sissy bar that I got off from this guy who makes them in Portugal. Unfortunately, he stopped making these, so that's why I couldn't really give you guys the link to it. So what it is it's just, you know, some brackets that sticks out here, and then it comes with a Sissy bar. Let me just put this on. So there you guys have it. So if you're riding with another person, they have a Sissy bar in the back, which my wife loves it because she hates riding without it. And then it also comes with a, you know, a bag holder, luggage, put anything on there. That's how it looks like. And then what it is it's just 2 screws that you tighten this so this doesn't move. But when you're riding solo, you could just unloosen those bolts, lift it up, take it out. And if you guys seen the Harley one had this weird fixed thing over here, and I didn't like that, so did my research, and so glad that I found that. So that's basically what I did to my bike since that first video. I mean, there's really not much I've done to it. I do plan on switching out the airbox soon, just waiting on, you know, when to pull the trigger. But I'm switching the airbox to where I could have the speedometer in here rather than up here, and then also switching out the handlebars. Then I also got to get that painted, so just waiting on that. And then still debating on if I should go air or if I should get like the Öhlins suspension, which, you know, I really like that. Other than that, I mean, that's it. I just want to keep it simple on this bike. This is my dream Harley bike, so don't want to do too much to it. Yeah, she still runs, she's still here with me, I still ride it. So if you guys want to see more videos of me, you know, doing stuff to this bike, definitely more parts coming to it. And then if you guys want to see ride videos, I just got to get a whole GoPro set up for it because my old GoPro was broken. So alright guys, so like I said, I'm gonna link the links in the description to all the parts I put on it. And if you guys have any questions, just message me or message Abby or email us on our email Everything's in the description, and I'm also gonna link the first video I put up on this Harley where I put all this stuff on. Alright guys, hope you guys like this short video, and this was just an update because a lot of you have been asking where my Harley is. Alright guys, peace.